easyChef Pro is designed to be a time-efficient solution for meal planning and preparation, focused on meeting the needs of busy professionals. Daily recipe suggestions. Receive daily notifications with recipe ideas based on your pantry inventory, ensuring you use what you have and reducing food waste. Automated shopping lists. Create shopping lists automatically from selecting recipes. Add missing ingredients from your pantry and streamline your grocery shopping list. Grocery store integration. Send your shopping list directly to local grocery stores for pickup or delivery, saving valuable time usually spent shopping. Pantry Management. Log and track pantry items easily. The app suggests recipes based on available ingredients and alerts you to items nearing expiration. Efficient recipe discovery. View easy step-by-step recipes you can easily fit into your busy schedule, tailored to your dietary preferences. Cooking guides. Simplify complex recipes with guided cooking, ideal for professionals with limited cooking time. easyChef Pro focuses on making every aspect of cooking, from meal planning to grocery shopping, efficient and hassle-free. Perfect for professionals balancing a busy work-life schedule. easyChef Pro. Let us take what's for dinner out of making dinner.